Hey guys, welcome back to the Techy. Today we'll be showing you how to turn the Tesla Cybertruck into a Hypebeast truck on PicsArt. First, select an image of the Cybertruck. Now go to Sticker and search red background. Select the one as shown. Cover the entire truck with the sticker and blend and lighten it. With the eraser, remove the excess. Make sure that you erase the red from the tires and windows as well. Click Done. Next, go to Stickers again and search LV or Louis Vuitton. Select the one as shown. Blend and darken the sticker and place it onto the image as shown. With the eraser, remove the excess. Now repeat the process to cover the entire truck. Go to Sticker, select the same sticker, blend and darken it, adjust it to the image and erase the excess. After completion, click Done. Moving on, go to Stickers and search Rims.
Perfect.
Select the one shown. Adjust it onto the image. Repeat the process for the other rim as well. Again, go to Sticker and search Supreme. Select the one as shown. Adjust it onto the image and blend and lighten it. Then select the eraser, decrease its hardness and adjust the size and opacity. Trace the edges of the sticker to blend it out slightly. Your Hypebeast truck is ready. So that's it for the tutorial. Thank you for stopping by at the Techy. Do subscribe and like the video and speak your mind in the comment section below on what you want to see next. Thank you for watching. See you all next time.